Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will learn about some grammar topics. So, beta, what is nouns? Nouns are naming words. Naming words are called nouns. Okay, so name like हैप्पी हैप्पी सिंह कोई नेम हो तो हम उसे नेमिंग वर्ड के नाम से जानेंगे जैसे कि किसी का नाम जो है हैप्पी है थिंग चेयर लाइक थिंग है कोई बेटा चेयर प्लेस लाइक घुमान एक प्लेस का नेम है एनिमल्स लाइक कैट सो नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड nouns. We will know about it, and today the next part of this types of nouns. So when we speak about the types of nouns, how many types these are? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 types of the nouns. So let we discuss one by one in this lecture. So used this is the beta common nouns. Common nouns beta used for common things like common place, things like the words example for the example beta school, pupil, police, students are the examples of common nouns. If we speak about proper nouns, so this one is beta used for name for specific things, place, name, take extra. GHK school Nangal Guman is specific name of school. Convent school is specific name of a school. Mickey Mouse is the cartoon name. Motu Patlu name is cartoon name. And also France is a country. London is a also country. If we speak the next word types of the nouns is countable nouns which we can count, that's called countable nouns which things which is counting by the person like if we speak about 7 apples we can count it 20 toffees 20 cars 2 bikes 2 books 2 pens 2 pencils so there are countable we can count it so it is the example these are the examples of countable nouns. If I speak about beta uncountable nouns which is not count which is not possible to count like rain, cheese, blood. When we speak about rain, rains are not counted by any person. So when we speak about cheese, it can be slices of cheese, pieces of cheese. Blood can be when we can speak we can observe it drops of blood but it cannot be count milk, wood, air, happiness beta an idea not a how much you are not count this how much you are happy how much you are not happy you cannot count it so this is an idea so these are the examples of uncountable nouns so next beta concrete nouns If we speak about the concrete nouns, it is the related from for our senses. Like we have five sense organs, and this noun also related of our sense, like dog, tree, apple, moon, burger, and rose flower. We can smell it. Burger we can taste it. Moon is the light. We can observe the light of moon, and apple by while we eat it we can observe the taste. Tree also we can see it. Okay, so if the dog is barking, so we can hear the sound of the dog. So are these examples are related from concrete nouns. If we beta speak about the abstract nouns, so abstract nouns are opposite of the concrete nouns. So it has no taste, and like we cannot measure it, like love, time, fear, freedom, luck. We can feel it but not observe that all. That has not physical appearance, only we can feel it, observe it. Okay. So next beta. Next, if we speak about compound nouns. So compound nouns are beta two or more words that create a noun, also written as a hyphen. Two or more words that create a noun, also written as a hyphen, like rainfall. When we speak about the word rainfall, when we speak about the word son law. So in these words there are hyphen. This one beta hyphen, and we can observe these word from compound nouns category. So next beta collective nouns. How we can observe the collective nouns? This one is referred to a set of group. Like beta, if I speak about team, like GHK team, like team up team. So this one is related the word from pile. Pile is a pile of magazines, bunch of grapes, and flock group of birds. Well, if we speak about the flock, that means the group of birds. Pile means the magazines, pile of magazines, bunch of grapes. So beta refer to set of a group. We can use the collective nouns. So let's we summarize all types of nouns by one example. Like common noun, right? School is common word and represent common noun. So proper noun, London is the name of any country, is represent specific country name, and this is proper noun. Countable nouns like seven apples. If I have seven apples, then written in my sentence, so this is from countable nouns category. Uncountable nouns, blood. We can not measure the blood, but we can show it in drops. Concrete nouns, we can concrete is a toffee when we can taste it, and we can give the taste of it, the noun, concrete noun. Abstract nouns regarding love, freedom, we cannot measure the love, only it feels, and we cannot measure the freedom, we can feel it. Compound nouns, we in son-in-law, when we use the hyphen in these words, so we can say these words related from compound nouns. So next beta collective nouns. If we can speak about GHK team, so this team, if we can say about GHK team, so this one is related any group of teams, or so you can observe it. This is from collective noun. So thank you for this watching and have a nice day.